Create and manage HR letter templates in Innovative HRMS. From here, you can navigate to the Letters section to manage employee letter templates and generate letters for individual employees. Click Add Template to create a new letter format. Customize the required details as per your needs, and then save it as a master template that can be used across the entire company. Here, you can choose any sample letter template and customize it as needed. For this demo, we'll select the promotion letter template to begin the customization process. Here you can enter your own template name and description. The category, however, will remain the same for this template. Then enter the template name Promotion Letter in the Template Name field. Afterwards, select Promotion Letter from the category drop-down to configure the letter template. Then enter a brief description of the promotion letter template in this field. Here you can edit any of the content displayed. Just make sure not to remove variables like employee name inside curly braces. These variables automatically pull employee details from the employee master. You can freely change the placement of these variables and update any static text, but the variables themselves should remain unchanged. Following that, view the promotion letter template header displaying company name and branch. Here you can view a live sample preview. All employee-related information will be automatically replaced with actual data when the letter is generated. Now click the Create Template button to save your letter template configuration. View the templates list to confirm that your newly created template is now available. Click here to view all available actions. After creating a letter template, it is automatically saved as a draft. To generate letters from this template, you first need to publish it. So, from the Action menu, click Publish Template. Once published, you'll see the green Generate button appear. Then, click Publish Template to activate the promotion letter template for use. Click the Generate button to create the actual letter for the selected employee. Type the employee's name to search and select the intended recipient. Next, select an employee from the drop-down list to generate their promotion letter. Next up, enter the letter purpose in this field for the promotion letter. Following that, click the Generate Letter button to create personalized promotion letter. Following this, click the Generated Letters tab to view all created letters. Afterwards, click Actions to view options for managing the promotion letter. To end off, click Download PDF to export the promotion letter as file. Transform the way you work. The future starts now with Innovative HRMS. Book your free demo and connect with us today.